Hey, I'm Jeremy with Kajabi, and today I'm going to compare Kajabi and Podia. Find out which one is the best platform to help you sell online courses and other digital products. Before I get started, be sure to subscribe to the Kajabi channel. We have lots of great videos on how to build a thriving online business. And if you're on YouTube, click the alert button to get updates on when new videos drop. Kajabi and Podia are both all-in-one platforms for your online business. This means they eliminate the need to integrate your online course platform with other tools like email marketing, website builders, and page builders. We're going to dive into the differences between Kajabi and Podia in this video. And the main takeaway is that both are solid choices for those looking to sell online courses. But Kajabi does offer you so much more, no matter what stage of entrepreneurship you're at. And it can get you up and running quickly with ready-to-go templates. And Kajabi helps you scale into a thriving business with powerful but easy-to-use automations. Now, let's dive into the differences and see which platform you should use to build your online business. Oh, and if you stick around at the end of the video, you'll get a special offer from Kajabi. First, let's discuss both platforms' online course system. Both Kajabi and Podia let you turn any type of content you've created into a digital product. This could be a video, an audio, digital workbooks, or ebooks. Both offer flexibility in terms of how you'd like to structure your course. The main difference is in the course creation interface. Kajabi offers product blueprints that are pre-made and fully customizable. The blueprints help take the guesswork out of creating your digital products. You can also have the option of starting from scratch with Kajabi. And that's great if you have an existing e-course or know exactly how you want to structure your content up front. Seeing an existing template can give you new ideas or simply save the time and energy of planning out your course. For example, one of Kajabi's blueprints is a mini course, which allows you to get your course framework completed in less than a day. Kajabi gives you a library of beautiful, highly customizable themes that you can apply to all your different products. You can also customize each of these themes with an easy-to-use theme editor and a very powerful code editor. Of course, you don't have to use the same themes across all of your products. You can pick a different theme for each product, and of course, you can customize all of them to fit into your brand and your vision. Once you've built and sold your online course, Kajabi gives you up-to-date progress reports about your students or members. This helps you understand if your students are going through the course and digesting the material, whether they're getting stuck, or where they are dropping off. If you're looking for a high-level snapshot of how students are progressing in your course, Kajabi's overview reports are your answer. They show you the number of members who've completed a lesson, the number of members that have started, as well as the average progress by post. Kajabi also lets you segment out your students however you'd like to categorize them. If you wanted to see specifically how your community members were progressing, you could create a filter for that. You can also give your students or your customers assessments. And with Kajabi's assessments, you can have the flexibility to test your students' knowledge. You can assess with multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, fill-in-the-blank statements, and images as the question. You can even have students upload their answers as PDFs, Word documents, videos, images, or audio files directly into the lesson. And grading comes for free on every plan. This is a great way to connect with your customers, see if they're understanding your courses, or just to get their feedback. Podia has a simple, easy-to-use course creation tool. Their platform allows you to upload any type of file, deliver your content all at once or drip it, or even pre-launch your e-courses. With Podia, you start by selecting your digital product, and from there, you have a blank slate to build upon. You'll create a section and add pieces of content under each section. It's a very simple interface to build your product on. It offers some default themes with a few options for customization. These simplified themes means it's easy to get going, but you can't really create a customized and cohesive look for your products. Podia allows you to add multiple choice quizzes to any lesson. When students are done with a quiz, they can see their score before moving on to the next lesson. To view your customers' quiz completion individually, you can do so by checking their course progress. Both Kajabi and Podia make it easy to quickly build an online course, but only Kajabi gives you the ability to build multiple products from blueprints, as well as the flexibility to customize them to fit your branding needs. Kajabi also has more robust assessments and analytics, which can help you engage with your customers. First, let's talk about your website. Having your course live in the same place as your website eliminates a bunch of headaches. You don't have to worry about tech integrations, and it's a more seamless experience for your customers. You can eliminate that extra layer of friction that you would otherwise force your visitors to do, bouncing around all these different platforms. Both Kajabi and Podia position themselves as an all-in-one platform with a website builder, but there are some big differences. The Podia website builder takes the same approach as Podia's course creation software. You start with a blank slate and you click on some pre-designed blocks to build your website. Podia's pre-designed blocks include FAQs, testimonials, columns, bio, products, and email newsletter signup. Podia's definition of pre-built themes is very different from Kajabi's definition of themes. Where Kajabi presents many different designs, Podia defines its theme as none, a kind of simple white background with dark text, light, a light background color with dark text, and dark, a dark background with white text. There's not a lot of room for customization with Podia, but if you want something that's just simple and easy, it could fit the bill. Kajabi empowers you to build a beautiful website that's safe, secure, and stable without having to hire expensive designers or web developers. Kajabi comes with multiple templates, and these themes offer multiple layouts and styles that you can customize to fit your needs. Just pick a layout and add your own branding and copy. From there, you can have your own stunning website that handles everything you need. With Kajabi, you get access to site headers, video backgrounds, opt-in forms, call to actions, or CTAs, feature highlights, testimonials, sales pages, blog posts, and more. And you could even add a pop-up form on your site so when visitors land on your homepage, you can start capturing their emails. The best part is that it's all easily customizable. The user-friendly editor makes it easy to implement changes on the fly and move elements around, and no other online course creation software comes as close to letting you create beautiful, professional quality websites from scratch. If you already have an existing website, and maybe you just want to add an online course to it, Podia could be a solid choice for you. Both Kajabi and Podia claim to build complete sales funnels, but you should take a closer look at the capabilities of each platform. The Podia knowledge base offers a few ideas on crafting a long email sequence versus a short email sequence, but Podia basically defines a complete sales funnel as an email drip campaign with links to your sales or product pages. And this is better than nothing. And it's probably easier than having to stitch together solutions, but it can't deliver the same kind of results as a truly automated sales funnel. Kajabi's sales funnel builder, called Pipelines, creates powerful sales funnels automatically. Let's say you're giving away a worksheet to generate leads for your course. With Pipelines, you can create a sequence where anybody who downloads that asset automatically receives your sales emails for your course. And if they buy, they'll stop getting the sales emails and now they'll get your engagement emails. It has 6 included pipeline blueprints for sales pages, freebies, product launches, coaching campaigns, webinars, and free books. And these are carefully crafted, proven formulas. Pipelines eliminate the guesswork. This feature in Kajabi is entirely automated, which means once you've created your funnel, you can set it and forget it. The pipelines work in the background so you can work on your business. Podia's sales funnel suggestions might get you started. However, Kajabi's blueprints will help you go from someone with an online business to somebody with a successful online business. Both Kajabi and Podia offer email marketing, so let's compare the two. I think email marketing is a very, very important way to grow your business, so we're going to dive pretty deep into it. First, let's look at email templates. Podia claims to offer a clean, professional-looking email template. Aside from basic text formatting options, there are no standout visual elements here, and that's fine if that's what you're looking for, but customers are increasingly expecting well-designed emails. The Kajabi Visual Email Builder makes it easy to add rich design to your emails. You get over 15 theme templates and 12 preset sections that quickly allow you to add new content, like countdown timers, images, and video previews. Kajabi Email also comes with email subject line validation, which improves deliverability as you're typing your subject line. The tool automatically checks for any potential spam triggers and suggests exactly what to fix, helping you increase open rates and staying out of spam folders. Now let's talk about email segmentation. Segmentation allows you to speak to your different subgroups of your audience with more relevant communication. It can lead to better overall email performance because you're delivering the right message to the right people. Podia offers solid segmentation on options based on how your contacts subscribe to your email list. So you can send to different emails based on if your customer signed up to your pre-launch sign up, the items that they've purchased, or the lead capture form that they filled out, and more. It's good functionality to start tailoring the right message to the right people. Now, Kajabi's email software comes with several default segments, including inactive subscribers who haven't opened your emails in the last 90 days, or those emails who have hard bounced. Beyond those default segments, Kajabi also allows you to create custom segments so you can decide what categories work best for your business. For example, you can segment people based on how they respond to a survey, if they used a coupon code, or if they visited a page on your site within the last 2 days. This may not feel very important when you're just starting out, but trust me, it becomes so powerful as you're growing and scaling your business because you can connect with your customers in a contextually relevant way. Both Kajabi and Podia offer email campaigns, broadcasts, automated sequences, and email campaign analytics. Podia says they have unlimited subscribers and emails with their email marketing platform. However, at the time of this video publication, they have a lifetime limit of importing 2,000 contacts. So if you have more than 2,000 contacts before signing up with Podia, you would need to continue using another email marketing tool. With Kajabi email marketing, you can have a list size of up to 100,000 people. With Kajabi, everything is connected for a seamless experience. By having your emails natively integrate, you no longer have to worry about frustrating integrations and broken APIs. Podia's email capabilities are well suited for those with a side hustle or if you're trying to figure out if having an online business is right for you. Just be aware that if you do have some success, you'll probably have to use a third-party email marketing service. That adds additional costs and technical headaches, but if that's the path you want to take, you have a clear choice there. Kajabi's advanced email customization options and built-in templates and all-in-one nature means it can help you grow and scale your knowledge business as big as you can dream. I'm not exaggerating here either, as Kajabi has helped hundreds of knowledge entrepreneurs grow 7-figure businesses. Integrations allow you to connect third-party apps with your online platform and have them work together in powerful ways. Both Kajabi and Podia come with built-in integrations, including MailChimp, Drip, ConvertKit, and more. If you use Zapier, you can connect Kajabi or Podia with more than 3,000 other services. When comparing Podia and Kajabi integrations, it's pretty much even. When using any sort of software, customer support can make or break your experience. Kajabi and Podia both offer a strong base of customer support. Both have resource centers for on-demand help as well. As of the time of this recording, Podia offers support via live chat, email, and 1 live daily support hour on Zoom. Podia's live chat is available between 9 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. Eastern, depending on the day of the week. Kajabi has more hours of live chat and support for our basic plan and 24/7 live chat for growth and pro plans. Kajabi hosts 2 support hour Q&As Monday through Friday. With our access plan, you can get one-on-one phone support from the customer success team. So, Kajabi has stronger support in terms of the number of hours and the support access per week. Now that you've seen all the major differences between Kajabi and Podia, let's talk about pricing so you can see where you can get the most bang for your buck. Podia offers a basic plan for $39 a month or a more expensive plan for $79 a month. Kajabi's pricing is built to grow as your business grows. Kajabi offers plans ranging from $149 per month to $399 per month and also has an add-on called Access. Kajabi offers a 20% discount for anybody who's paying annually. At first glance, it looks like you might save money with Podia. But to sell your online course and match all the powerful capabilities of Kajabi, you can't rely solely on the basic functionalities of Podia. You might need to pay for email marketing, sales funnel software, or perhaps even a website builder. And the cost of just one additional tool can easily cost hundreds of additional dollars per month, which you should factor into the cost of going with Podia. Otherwise, you might face the frustration of signing up for a platform only to discover that you have to pay for additional tools to meet your needs. Plus, it's important to value your own time. Having to stitch together several services takes time away from creating your knowledge content, which is ultimately what keeps your business going. That's why you can often save money by investing in one robust platform. If you're tired of duct taping different tools together and you want something that just does more than deliver your online knowledge products, then it's pretty clear which platform you need to use. Kajabi has all the tools you need in one place so you can build and run your entire online business selling digital products. Now, for the exclusive offer. Because you watched all the way through this video, we're sharing some bonus content. By signing up through the link in the description, not only do you get a 14-day free trial, but you'll also get additional training content that provides a step-by-step guide on how to build your online business. Click the link in the description for your bonus content and a free 14-day trial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Kajabi.